Hi, I'm Ben Lauterbach, an application engineer with Cummins Bridgeway. Today I want to demonstrate to you our new D&D kit, but first I want to show you the old one. This is the old kit for drawdown and deaeration. To check deaeration, you would have the engine running, rated power. You'd be running, say, 1800 RPMs. Everything would be going, exhaust would be hot, air would be sucking in. You'd have it all instrumented up. Fan would be spinning, and you would now come up to this. Get up nice and close so you can see if there's any bubbles. Make sure that the water pump is doing its job, deaerating the system. To help see these bubbles, you would then close this valve and watch to see if the small bubbles were in there. Holding your flashlight in one hand and trying to close the valve in the other. At the same time, you're watching the block pressure and the water pump inlet pressure. So while I'm watching this, closing the valve, I'm also making my way over to my laptop where I'm logging Calturn. For drawdown, now you use the same tool. You come over here with the 212 degree water and you start to bleed water out of the system, and you're watching to lose pressure and you're watching for bubbles, all in the proximity of a running engine.
But Mr. Lauterbach, there's got to be a better way.
And there is. Here's the new D&D kit that we've come up with. It utilizes HDMI and a camera. Everything fits inside of this Pelican case. And I'll set this up and show you. So this is the new kit. There's some features on here, some noticeable differences that I'd like to point out. First, that you probably notice, is the camera. This is able to stream live data as well as record. You also notice the gauges. Those are all within full view of the camera. You're also going to notice the LED, the backlit LED tube. The inside diameter of the glass is the same as all the tubing, so it doesn't impede the testing. It's also safer as it's Pyrex and rated for the temperatures and pressures of the test. You're also going to notice some of the valves. These are electronic and able to be controlled with a remote joystick. Also, for backup, the originals remain. Now with the new kit, I'm able to remotely view the testing. This is going to be live streaming. I'm also able to manipulate the valves on the new D&D kit. Not only can I do that, but I'm also able to monitor the relevant Calturn files as this is taking place. I'm also able to go back and review my data, because this is all being recorded. The temperatures, pressures, and the sight glass. Thank you for your time.